Okay, what we're going to do now is we're going to convert degrees to radians. So for example, if I have 135 degrees and I want to know what is that measure in radians, I'm going to use the proportion that I have 135 degrees, and in a full circle there's 360 degrees. So I've got the degrees over the degrees equals, don't know my radians, and my total circle is 2 pi radians. I cross multiply, so I'd have 360r equals 135 times 2 pi, or 135 times 2 is 270 pi. I'm going to keep pi in my answer because that's how we usually see radians. And I'm going to divide by 360 to get r alone. So in your answer, you will leave pi in your answer, and you are just going to reduce 270 over 360. So I first can divide them both by 10, so that would be 27 over 36, and then I can divide them both by 9, so that would be 3 over 4. So my answer would be 3 pi over 4 radians. That is what 135 degrees is equal to. Three pi over 4. Okay, this was one of your problems from your quiz. We want to go the other way, and we want to convert radians to degrees. So I've got 11 pi over 12 radians, and I want to know how many degrees that is. So I'm going to use the same idea. I'm going to put the radians I have over 2 pi, because that makes a complete circle. I don't know how many degrees I have, but I know a circle has 360. Then I'm going to cross multiply, so I'd have 2 pi times d equals, and then I'm going to multiply the other way. I've got 11 pi over 12 times 360. So before I divide, I'm going to simplify the right side. I know that 360 divided by 12 would be 30, and I know 30 times 11 would be 330 with a pi. And now I'm going to go back and I'm going to divide both sides by 2 pi's. So the pi's cancel, and 330 divided by 2 is 165. So that's my number of degrees, 165 degrees.